Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection for property 4619 Northeast Ward Drive, Salem, Oregon 97305. Current time is 12:03 p.m. on February 17, 2025. The house is facing south. I'm here on the southeast corner of the house, the south side. So here's the clean out I'm going to access. There's Ward Street there. And then your front entry is over that way. So this will be where I'll be accessing the line. So I have the camera facing downstream towards the main. I'm going to zero out my foot counter. The purpose of this inspection is to determine the overall condition and serviceability of the sewer lateral for this property to the city main. And there's some waste in the line. So at around, let's see here. I'm going to zero out my foot counter one more time here. Okay, I have it zeroed out, so I'm going to start now. It looks like immediately at about a foot, it transitions from the ABS pipe to concrete. A lot of waste in the line there. Downward slope. Another downward slope. It's a turn in the line here. I really can't tell. It's pretty common to have some standing water at the end of a vertical drop. As you can see, it transitions, it goes right around the corner there, so at this point I'm not going to fail that. I will note it in my report though, to be monitored. Alright, so at 81 feet we have reached the city main at the South Street. I'm going to go ahead and pull back from here. I'm going to just mute the video. Okay, here again we've reached that section where there is some standing water at the bottom of this vertical drop. Looks like they've done this purposely to actually join the elevation, so the sloping downwards, and then they connect and it makes a turn. That standing water would actually lift the waste into this downward slope going towards the main. So I will mention it at around 41 feet that there is some standing water and it should be monitored, but at this point it's not failing the line. I don't see any major issues in that area. Okay, this concludes the sewer line camera inspection for this property. As you saw with me going to and from the city main, there are no issues for concern. At around 40 feet, there's a vertical drop. At the end, it is retaining water. It makes a dramatic turn toward the city main. I was unable to see any cracks or holes or anything in the pipe connection. It didn't seem like there was any. At this point, it looks like everything is serviceable. So I'm going to pass this, but just with a reference to monitor that area. So this does conclude the sewer line camera inspection for this property. I will have a written report on this video upload for you and your realtor to view. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.